Hello everyone, welcome to TechHawk. In this video, I am going to show you how to set who can present while creating a meeting in Outlook 365. So let's open Outlook 365 first, and then I am going to create a new meeting. I am adding some persons here. Now please click on meetings options at the top left corner and scroll down. You will find who can present. From the drop down menu you can select who can present in your meeting, like everyone or some people who are in my organization and guests, or you can also specify the presenter, like click here and then you can specify who can present in this meeting or not. So I think now you can set before sending a meeting request that who can actually present in that meeting. So thanks for watching.